The rufous-bellied woodpecker is also called a sapsucker, and this woodpecker has a habit of making a series of small pits on the bark of the tree, leading to it being considered as Asiatic member of the sapsuckers. It's found along the Himalayas in the Indian subcontinent, ranging across Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, India, Korea. The rufous-bellied woodpecker has a wide range but is generally an uncommon bird. It has disappeared from parts of its former range because of the clearing of the deciduous forest necessary for its survival.